41 Action News anchor Gabriella Pagan talked with the mayor about what a vaccine rollout could look like in Kansas City.
First, the vaccine would go to healthcare workers, followed by essential workers, and then high-risk populations.
Those are all important steps. I don't have beefs there. I just want to make sure that as we roll out, we avoid the mistake we make too often in government, and that is making sure that we have everybody who's brought into the process, everybody who wants a vaccine, having an opportunity to get it.
Missouri makes up 2% of the country's population, which is why the state will be allotted 2% of the available doses in the first wave of the vaccine. When a second wave comes, Mayor Lucas wants an emphasis on areas healthcare systems don't reach.
Part of the reason about all the challenges on blacks who are infected, Hispanics, and others is because our healthcare system is in some ways terribly unfair in the provision of care. And we're seeing that right now in this. Missouri is a state that does not have Medicaid expansion, so Missouri is a state where those who are poor are disproportionately not getting the same access to care. And I have grave concerns with the fact that if there's a vaccine that's rolled out, it's going to go to the folks that know the institutions, folks like me who may be able to have that physician relationship and call in. But what about everybody else?
Another key focus is where vaccination sites will go.
There's collaboration with our public safety departments, police and fire, not so much just for them, but to make sure that if there are lines, if there are times that people are coming through for vaccines, we make sure that's taken care of.
When asked if large outdoor venues like Arrowhead or Kauffman Stadium have been looked at to mass vaccinate, Lucas says that sort of work is done.
You need to make sure that it's a venue that can handle it, a venue that can handle a lot of cars. And if you start to have those all together, then there actually aren't that many.
In Kansas City, Gabriella Pagan, 41 Action News.
According to Missouri's website, the vaccine will not be available initially for children and pregnant women. It also states no resident can be denied a vaccine based on their ability to pay.